Good morning. I'm a little bit behind on my videos, guys, so just kind of bear with me. This was a swap with Jennifer Tipton through Junk Journals. It was a bird junk journal. So this is what she sent me. Yes, I've already peeked. You know, I couldn't help it, but I thought then I would show you what Jennifer gave me. So we'll start with this one. It was wrapped. I love the pattern paper. That is so cool. I'm going to really use that. Thank you, Jennifer. She sent me a beautiful bird card. The note inside. Get the envelopes in a minute. And she sent me a bunch of printables, and she used, it was like parchment paper for some of them. That is exciting. I've never used parchment paper before with printing out my printables. All of these goodies, some of the quotes. Some more quotes and napkins. That's my next little endeavor, is to try to use napkins in my junk journals. Oh my gosh, fantastic. Ooh, pretty peacock. I was just telling my son the other day, I was just saying that I wanted some punch time cards to put in my journals. That's fantastic. Oh, little word stickers. Look at that printable. And then she sent me this coin envelope full of goodies. I will definitely use the coin envelope too. That is fantastic. More parchment. Oh, no, that's pretty. Look at all of these. Wooden birdie. Just punch these out of scrapbooking paper. Some tags. And look at all this good stuff that I can reuse. I'm already planning in my mind. Oh, napkin. That's really cool. I can use that one in a journal I'm working on right now. That's pretty flower. 2 more birdies. A couple note cards. The map. There's another envelope, which, you know, again, I will use the envelope in my junk journal. Oh, these will make wonderful tuck spots. Some more tags. Oh, aren't those fantastic? Oh, look at these pretty cards. Some gold foil doilies. Some other doilies. Oh, I see sewing these in. Oh, fantastic. Love the goodies. Now, on to the journal. This is beautiful. She painted the envelope. It's an envelope, clasp envelope that we had to make our journals out of. And she inked it, painted it. Look at that, the image. This is a die cut. Love that lattice work. Pretty flowers and a 3D sticker. And a pretty lace to hold it together to tie it. Ooh, neat. I have never seen something like that. I like that. That's a really cool sticker. And that, I think, is a napkin. Oh, I'm going to have fun with those napkins. Pretty printable. She glued its birdhouse on. Pretty printable onto the background paper. She left me room to journal, which is fantastic. A pocket with some pretties inside. 3D sticker. Looks like she stamped her stencils. Oh, this is, you can't see it, but this has been embossed. That's pretty. It's on the parchment paper. Oh, and so is this. She printed this out on parchment paper. That's really neat. And this is embossed also. So she stamped it and then embossed it. Very cool. Feels like wax paper. And a birdie. I think it's supposed to go there. Nice. Oh, I see. He came off. He's supposed to go at the top. And this was underneath. There we go. Love her use of printables through all of this. This is really neat. That is gorgeous. Oh, very cool. An envelope with a pocket. Oh, it's got one of the little cards in it. Very cool. Another pocket with printables. Your bird doesn't sing because it has an answer. It sings because it has a song. Love that. Some more wax paper that was tea dye. Oh, washi tape. Like that. Very pretty pocket with tags inside. Some days there won't be a song in your heart. Sing anyway. Love that. The birdie darling. Another text spot. Like that. Love that yellow bird. Oh, and these are just so cute. I love that she left me room to journal. Spread your wings and fly. This is neat. This is scrapbooking paper. I like that. Text spot with tag. That's pretty. It's all pretty. Oh, nice. Oh, very cool how she did the middle. Some more printables. Bird Beauty. Very neat. Oh, cute. Love how she cut this out and used it as a corner. Oops, slide that back in there. Oh, and then a pocket with some gorgeous printables. Oh, a card in there. Oh, look at that one. It's kind of humid here today. Look at that. I like how it has the different stain variations. When we tea dye and coffee dye things, I love how that comes out. I don't utilize my punches like this. I'm gonna have to start. An inspiration. Text spot. Ooh, belly band. That's pretty. Another belly band with a tag. Oh no, that's just a text spot. Oh, the other half of that envelope. What is in here? Ooh, another card. Very pretty. This is a belly band. Oh, that's pretty. That way. And the back is gorgeous. Nice. Pocket. A text spot. With printable. She has all my favorite colors, and oh, look at the coin envelope with a feather. How cool is that? What a neat idea. Jennifer, you're so creative. What'd you do with the card? That is really neat. Give the ones you love wings to fly, roots to come back, and reasons to stay. Pocket. The 3D sticker is really cool. Like that sticker. And this is the top of the envelope. You can see the clasp in that. Oh, and it's filled with goodies. Oh! Oh my goodness gracious. A couple more cards. Oh, some beautiful peacock printables. Some more birds. I love these, the Tiffany and Company bird tags that she printed off. Some more of the punched. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Thank you so much. I love it, and I'm going to get such great use out of this. In fact, I'm already planning what I'm going to use it for. So, again, guys, this was a junk journal swap with Jennifer Tipton. I appreciate you watching, and have a good day.